Is the GTX 1080 really able to handle 4K gaming, and can it actually reach 4K ultra setting at 60 frames per second? I'm going to tackle that question, give you guys my thoughts and even my answers. All of those things are coming up next. Welcome back, guys, and thank you so much for checking out this video. And if you haven't yet checked out my channel, I encourage you guys to go back to my homepage and check out all the great content that I upload on a weekly basis. I do everything from gaming reviews, tech reviews, product reviews, but even some how-to videos to help you make the best decision possible when it comes down to your PC gaming experience. Also, a great website to help you figure out all the PC tech out there that's the best for you, easytechreviews.com. I love this website because it gives you all of the PC tech and the great PC tech all in one easy place. So instead of you going to Amazon and trying to surf through all the PC tech that's out there and trying to get the best one with the highest ratings, Easy Tech Reviews simulates all the best products on Amazon, from gaming mouse, gaming headset, gaming keyboards, monitors, graphics cards, and all things tech to help you make the best decision possible, and it simulates all the great PC tech for that month in one easy place. And no worries about purchasing from this website, because all the PC items on this website gives you a direct link to Amazon, a company you trust and love. The title says enough for what it does, that you can find all the great PC tech out there in one easy place. I'll make sure I leave a link in the description box below, sending you right to their website so you can quickly get gaming and enjoy the titles out there today. So is the GTX 1080 really able to achieve 4K gaming on a PC? And can it actually reach ultra settings 60 frames per second on major titles? You know, the GTX 1080 Ti came out just recently, and Nvidia have stated that GTX 1080 Ti is about 30% faster than the GTX 1080. And we even seen some benchmarks with the 1070 not being that far away from the GTX 1080. We know the GTX 1070 is to be that sweet spot when it comes down to 1440p gaming, but we haven't yet figured out the mechanics of getting a true graphics card that's able to handle all titles at 4K resolution, 60 frames per second. Now, this by no means is saying that GTX 1080 is not unable to play 4K, which it is able to play 4K. I'm actually gaming on the GTX 1080 right now, and I'm playing 4K, and let me tell you, 4K from 1080p, it was just a different world altogether. But we also got to understand that when we pick up a GTX 1080, we have to also live in a realistic world, is that it's not able to play all games 60 frames per second at 4K. Now, that does not mean that it's unable to play some titles at 4K. So I'm going to throw this benchmark up on the screen here of the titles that I was able to achieve 4K smooth 60 frames per second at ultra setting. And that's the thing that we're going to talk about, is that when you're thinking about gaming at 60 frames per second at 4K, what experience do you want to have? And there's a lot of folks out there, you might be one of those people that want to game at the best resolution, the best graphic fidelity that the game offers you. But by that, you lack performance. And so when we're talking about gaming at ultra settings, some titles are just not able to achieve 60 frames per second. But I would encourage you, just take that down a little notch to high settings. Some titles you just really can't tell the difference between ultra setting and high settings. But your graphics card can, and it can definitely increase a lot of performance for you. So again, these titles up on the screen is what I'm achieving right now at the ultra settings 4K. But we're talking about the AAA titles. You know, this benchmarks right here shows you that the GTX 1080 is not that far off when it comes down to 4K ultra settings on these titles. Now again, this is running at 4K resolution with the graphics turned up all the way up on these titles, and you can see that some of these titles are hitting 60 frames per second, and there's some titles that are dropping just a little bit low. But again, you're running these games at ultra settings. But really, when you think about turning these games down to the high setting and mixing up these graphics to still get a good visual but to get better performance, then this chart explains the big difference between running at ultra settings and running at high settings. And this is where the GTX 1080 really shines. So if you're thinking about picking up GTX 1080 and trying to figure out, is this able to run 4K gaming, the answer is yes. But it's all about what type of experience you want to have. Now, there's some of you guys that love the graphics. You want all the pixels and all the resolution to be maximum at all times, and you're okay with sacrificing the performance because you want to experience the best graphic fidelity out there. Well, the GTX 1080 can definitely run 4K at 30 frames per second and above for a lot of AAA titles out there today. But if you want to be able to play these games, these titles at 4K at the best performance and still getting some shine on the graphics, then turning the settings down just a little bit will get you the best experience possible on the GTX 1080. So again guys, this was really no in-depth video, but a quick glance at what the GTX 1080 can do on certain titles if you change the settings down a little bit to high instead of running everything at ultra, especially throwing those filters out to get more performance to your graphics card. So is the GTX 1080, can it run 4K? Yes, it can. And by turning those settings down a little bit, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. And we haven't even talked about overclocking your system. Just on the base clock settings, you'll be able to enjoy a good 4K experience. So if you haven't yet checked out my video, I encourage you guys to check out all the great content I upload on my page on a weekly basis. I do everything from game reviews, tech reviews, how-to videos, and even some videos like these to figure out what is the best PC tech for you. If you haven't yet checked out this great website that I found, it's called EasyTechReviews.com. Here on this review page, it shows you all the great tech out there when it comes down to PC tech, gaming keyboards, gaming mouse, gaming headset, graphics card, and all the best that Amazon has to offer. Instead of you wasting time and trying to figure out what is the best product out there by reading all the reviews, this website simulates the best reviews for that month all into one easy website, and you don't have to worry about the purchase at all because all of the things noted on there is provided with Amazon links, so you can be sent to a company you trust and love. So I'll make sure I leave that in the description box below for you guys to check out that website. You can find all the easy tech in one easy place and save some time and get quick on gaming. So again, if you guys want to see more videos like these, make sure you give me a like and also comment down below what titles do you want to see the GTX 1080 actually perform at 60 ultra settings, and is it really worth upgrading to the GTX 1080 Ti? Or maybe you're satisfied with what you can get with the 1440p gaming with the GTX 1070. I'd love to hear you guys in the comment section below, and I'd love to get into that conversation with you guys. So, as always, this is Lou with Lou Gaming Tech, giving you guys gaming tech news and more. As always, I'll see you in the next one.